Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series for BFM, and today we'll be covering the objective questions on treasury and balance sheet management. Very important questions because treasury is an important part of BFM. The module C is completely on treasury. Okay. So let's start. Before going ahead, I would suggest download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material, plus you will be getting live classes, ebooks, tests, whatever you require for CAIIB and JAIIB and various banking exams. You will be getting it over here. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting importantly the free YouTube series on all the subjects. Free, whatever is free, grab it first, isn't it? Also, you'll be getting the live updates on JAIIB and CAIIB. Whatever is happening from IIBF, some circular, some notice, anything, you'll immediately get it over there. Okay? This is a new batch starting from February 10th, today only. So join it ASAP. 80% off is going on right now. 80% off. My God. Huge discount offer is going on. Double validity on Mahapacks is going on. I'll tell you what is this double validity on Mahapack. In Mahapack, you'll be getting multiple batches. Multiple, not only single batch. Okay. Also, you'll get use the code Y432. Okay. Let's start with the session. Yesterday, I asked you a question for homework. Okay. The question was, RWA for credit risk was given as 3000 crores. Capital charge for market risk was given as 700 crores. Capital charge for ops risk was given as 400 crores, and I'd asked you find a total RWA risk weighted asset. Everyone who has not followed yesterday's lecture, kindly follow it, because there I've explained what is risk weighted asset, what are the calculations for risk weighted asset, everything I've explained. Okay, so follow that, because that is one of the important lectures for your CAIIB. Okay, so how to calculate this? Credit risk, RWA for credit, market and ops. Here, total RWA always means that RWA R, I'll just write it R. So I'll just write it RWA equals to R now. Okay. So R total equals to R credit plus R market plus R ops. Okay. This is the total of this credit, market, ops. Total comes to this is R total. Now what is given? Do I know R credit? RWA for credit risk is given 3000. See, its figure is given over here. So I'll use that 3000 over here. I'll mark this over here 3000. Now what about this RM market? Capital charge for market is given, but I want RWA. So what is the formula now? See here, always use this formula. CRAR equals to, remember this, CRAR equals to capital upon RWA. Always remember this formula, into 100 of course. Okay, yeah, into 100. So now I want RWA. This is my question mark. CRAR is a standard CRAR given by RBI, that is 9%. Use this as a standard one. So I want RWA. So what will be my answer now? So my RWA for market equals to capital upon 9%, right? This 9% will come over here, RWA will go over here, and this 100 will remain as it is, into 100. Right? Similarly over here, RO. So this capital for ops, I'll write it. Okay, here it was market. Capital for market, capital for ops, upon 9% into 100. Okay. So what is my capital for market given? Capital for market given is 700. So 700 upon 9%, right? Yeah, 9% means that percent means it will directly change to this. We'll make it as we have done it 100. So this percentage is not required. Upon 9 into 100. So what is my answer over here? 70,000 upon 9. Okay, 70,000 upon 9 comes to what? Everyone, try it yourself. 70,000 upon 9. What is the answer you are getting, everyone? 70,000 upon 9, you are getting it as, everyone, what is the answer? 7, 7, 7 and 8 you can write it because it's 0.777. Okay. So this is what you are getting. Similarly for over here. So 400 upon 9 upon 9. Okay. Remove this percent now because 100 is taken over here. Into 100. So what is the answer now? 9 4s are 36. 4, 4, 4, 4. Forget this point, further points. Okay. So what is my total now? Total RWA becomes 3000 plus 7778 plus 4444. Now do the total. What is the answer you are getting, everyone? 3000. Okay, 3000 plus, let's do it, 7778 plus 4444. Okay, so you are getting it as 15222. So this is my total RWA, 15. Are you getting this, everyone? What is the answer you guys are getting? Are you getting the same answer? Type yes if you are getting it. Right? The answer is 15222. This is my total RWA. Got it? Let's move on now. See here, treasury management. This is the theory part totally. Okay. So all the questions will be based on theory only. Treasury management operations mainly deals with. So treasury management deals with what? Short-term funds flow, long-term funds flow, none of the above, and all of these. All of these means B and C. Okay, not none of the above. Otherwise you'll say none of the above is also all of these. Okay, so I'll write it B and C, A and B. Sorry, A and B. Okay. So what is the option? Treasury will deal in what? Short-term and long-term, both, or only short-term? What do you say? Yeah. It is both, short term also, long term also. So the correct answer is D, both A and B, all of the above. Okay. For which of the following activities the treasury management also deals with long term flows? For why do I deal in long term? Treasuries should be mainly concerned with short term. For purpose of SLR requirements, long term investments, investment in T-bills, and all of these. So I deal in long-term flows in what? Many of you will just now type all of these, all of these, all of this. Wrong. All of these is not the answer. Why? Because T-bills is not a long-term investment. T-bills is a short-term investment. So this is out. I want the investment for long-term. So this is out. As this is out, D is also out. So now I am left only with for purpose of SLR and long-term investments. So for which of these activities will I deal with long-term flows? Where do I require long-term flows? For long-term investments or for SLR requirements? It is always long-term investments, right? So that is the rule. The long-term investments rule is basically I'll have to deal with long-term flows, right? SLR comes from what? NDTL, net demand and time liabilities. Okay, so that comes from there. That is, so long-term flows will always deal with long-term investments. Okay. What is integrated treasury management services? Integrated means what? Money market operations, securities market operations, foreign exchange operations, and integration of all these. All these means all these A, B and C above. Okay. So what is integrated? Money, securities and foreign exchange. Combination of these three are only money market, only securities market, only foreign exchange. What is the correct option in this? What do you say? What do you think is should be the correct option over here? Yeah? It should be correct. All of these. Why? Why all of these? See here, all of these because money market deals in short term. Liquid bonds. Okay, liquid. Securities deals in both. Okay, liquid and debt and equity. It involves equity also. Securities. So debt and equity. Equity. And this forex market deals with forex reserves, right? So combination of all these needs to be dealt with in integrated treasury, isn't it? So yeah, what is the answer? So the answer is D, correct? Everyone got this? Integration of all these. Which of the following has given new dimensions to treasury management operations? Which of the following? New dimensions mean new way of thinking. Financial sector reforms, deregulation of interest rates, convertibility of rupee, and all of these. So what has given the new dimension? New dimension, new way of thinking. New way of thinking means starting from 1991, okay, to this time, and mainly after 2014, the new dimension for treasury has come up. So what are those? Financial sector reforms? Yes, there have been lot of financial sector reforms since 2014, means almost 7 to 8 years last. Huge ones that has led to the growth of economy at around 6.1, 6 to 7, 8, right? So financial sector reforms, yes, since 1991 when we opened up the economy, huge things were there, okay, that has given a rise to new India as such. So financial sector reforms. Deregulation of interest rate. Deregulation means what? Earlier RBI was controlling all the interest rates. FD rates were given by RBI, then loan rates were given by RBI. Now nothing. Everyone is giving their own rates. Every bank is giving as per the competition they are giving it. Convertibility of rupee means here rupee is convertible over here in India. It's partially convertible. Why do we say partially? Because partially means we have to balance of trade and balance of payment. Balance of trade means it is basically related to export and import, forex, okay, any business transaction. Their rupee is fully convertible. In balance of trade, it is fully convertible. Means if I am doing some export and I am getting some dollars, 10 lakh dollars I am getting it. So nobody will question me if I want to convert it to rupees. Or if I am doing some import, I have to give some money to somebody. Nobody will question me if I am having the legal proof. So that is called as balance of trade, where import and export is done, of services and goods both. Balance of payment is partially convertible. Why? Because balance of payment, there are limitations. There is no business involved over there. There, that NRI is sending funds from abroad. Some father is sending son to his daughter or son in USA. Something like that. So that is not related to business. So there, rupee is not fully convertible. But remember, BOT covers the major part. Roughly 80 to 90% of our forex is covered by BOT. So therefore, 80% of the rupee is now fully convertible. Only 20% is remaining. So the question over here was, which of the following has given new dimensions? All these: financial sector reform, deregulation of interest rates, and convertibility. So the correct answer is obviously D. All of these, isn't it? Which of the following are the functions of treasury? Okay, that's a simple answer. That's why I've marked it. Maintaining adequate cash, deploying surplus funds, meeting fund requirement in case of shortfall. Common sense, isn't it? Answer is D. Everyone, have you got it? Has everyone got this answer? Answer is D, na? Or somebody saying something else? Yeah, it is D. Correct? Yeah. The significance of treasury management in case of banks is, means what is the use of treasury management? Why should we have treasury management at all in banking system? What do you say? Why should any bank have treasury management system over here? The reason is simple, isn't it? Because treasury nowadays covers each and every aspect of your bank, right? To maintain CRR as per our RBI guideline, to maintain SLR. It is a function of liquidity management. So all these things are combinedly dealt with by the treasury. Treasury has a major role nowadays. Okay. So the answer is all of these. Okay. Treasury management was earlier classified as service center, fund management department, investment center, and BNC. BNC means fund management and investment. So what was treasury management called earlier? Yeah. It was service center. No, service center is a branch level operation. In fact, here, if you call it that way, then every aspect of the bank is service. Even any department is a service center, right? So that is a common logic. But treasury specifically was called as what earlier? Fund management. Earlier, treasury was only considered as a defensive department. Means they will get the funds and they'll just park those funds for some time somewhere. Okay. They didn't have the active role. So fund management department and investment center. These were the two answers over there. So the answer is D, B and C. Okay. Which of the following activities of the the treasury management is more relevant? So deposit, asset liability, both A and B, and none of the above. So where the treasury has a major role, does the treasury have major role in deposits? You'll say no, we don't deal in treasury at all. We are in branch, we are in deposits. So where do we deal in? We don't call any treasury person anytime. But the rates for your savings, the rates for your FDs, at what should they be fixed? Who decides that? Yeah. Who gives you the rate? That you should have this much rate on this 3-month FD, this much rate on 1-year FD. Who gives you? That is given by treasury. Okay. So deposit function, yes. Even if you consider loan function, that is also a part. So but ALM, it's already included. ALM means what? It includes both deposits and loans. ALM means what? Asset liability. Okay. So deposit means liability. Okay. So deposit. And asset means loans. So both the things are covered over here. So that's why the answer will be A and B both, and none of these. So it is both A and B, right? Deposit also, asset liability also, everything. Okay, combined. Got it? One for your homework. Which of the following foreign exchange operations have been useful in treasury management operations? Means, which of the following forex operations? Arbitrage, swaps, both A and B, and none of these. Now what is arbitrage? What is swap? I have covered it separately in live classes also and in some of the YT series also. Follow that. That's why I said join the classes, because what happens, all the things are not possible on YT. And 80% off is going on. Such a huge discounts are going on. So get this for homework. Get it done tomorrow. Okay. I'll answer that tomorrow. Now I was talking about this batches, right? Why am I talking of these batches? Because here the portion has changed. New portion totally. Okay. New portion means you are having a, I'll say, a tough time, because everything has changed. So for that you will be needing the batches. Now I told you about the 80% off which is going on. Let me show you how to get the 80% off. Go to Adda 24/7. Okay. Once you go on Adda 24/7, see this. On the front page itself, click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Here you will see JAIIB Mahapack, CAIIB 23. Click on CAIIB 23. Now you see this. You will get the batches over here. Starting from February 10th, means today itself. Okay. So click on this. Once you see this, look at this. All the details you will be getting. When is it starting? What is the timing? Then how many days? Then study plan. Everything you will be getting it over here. So importantly, I'll tell you, recorded videos are available 24/7. So if you miss out on any class, you can definitely get back to that. Two-way interactive classes are there. E-books are available. Two-way interactive means you can ask the question anytime and doubts get cleared there and then only. Okay. E-books are available. So definitely everything is positive for you. Join these batches except. Now I'll tell you about the discount part. 23,999. Click on this view offers. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. Once you click on apply, look at this. 23,999 reduces by 80%. If you are on the app, you will get it 1% extra, 81%, using the coin system. Okay. So to pay 4799. Okay, just 23,999 reduces to 4799. Such a huge discount you are getting. Grab it immediately. Batch starting today only. Exam dates out, almost out. CAIIB, roughly they will be in June somewhere. Okay, roughly 10th or first week or second week of June they will be starting. So only 3 months are remaining. I would suggest go for the Mahapack. In Mahapack, what happens here? Mahapack is one of the important tools. In Mahapack, what happens? You get multiple batches. See this. Go on the front page. Click on JAIIB CAIIB. Click on JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. Now look at CAIIB. See here, CAIIB ka Mahapack. Click on CAIIB Mahapack. See what are you getting over here? All the details are given. Means 15 plus batches for CAIIB. All the 4 subjects: ABM, BFM, BRBL, and ABFM. Then full length mock tests are available. Then detailed course material is available. And Recorded sessions are obviously available. Now look at the fees part also. 15 plus batches, my god. And look at the fees part, 35,996. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Never forget this code. This is the important code for you, okay? For discount. So 35,996 reduces by 80% off. And double validity, 6 plus 6, 12 months. So now 35,996 reduces to 7199. And 12 months. So divide this by 12. It comes to what? 600 roughly. So 600 rupees. It's an investment for lifetime, monthly SIP for your life, and that also only for 7,199. Okay, such a huge discount you are getting, and that is also for your lifetime. Once you clear CAIIB, you have 2 increments, isn't it? Isn't it a huge thing? And why am I stressing on this? Because look at the batches. Look at the new portion. The new portion for CAIIB. Say this. Now there are 4 subjects, 4 compulsory subjects. Okay. ABM, BFM, ABFM and BRBL. ABFM means Advanced Business and Financial Management. Newly added. BRBL, Banking Regulation and Business Laws. Newly added. Even the portion for ABM and BFM is changed to a bit. Okay. Electives. No retail elective now. Rural, HR, IT and Central Banking and Trade. So, tougher time. Negative marking has been removed. So, don't worry about negative marking now. At least for this session. That's why I am saying. Clear it right now only. Next session we don't know. Negative marking will be there or not. Okay. So, clear it right now only. Join the batches ASAP. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow with another.